Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to download PSpice software. The link is given in the description and please go and check it. Firstly, go to the Chrome and directly click on the link. The link will be open. I am pasting the link right now. Then, okay. Then go to download, click on download. It will take around 2 minutes to download the software. The file has been almost downloaded. Then go to download, click on the file PSpice and minimize the screen and paste it somewhere on the desktop. Copy Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. It has been pasted and it's been copying the file. It's taking around 1 minute to complete it. Okay, it's almost done. So it is in the zip file, so we should extract it, finish. The files has been extracted and we'll open it. Then click on it. The file has been extracted. Then go to full screen and come to readme and open the file. It's a text document. Open. Here are the steps and the key of that software PSpice. So let's go to setup. Click on setup. Then run. Then it starts to run and starts to download the application. It has been downloading. Let's see OrCAD software. Okay, next, click on yes, click on next, click on next. There we opened a readme file. Go to there, copy the readme keys, that is the password. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, paste it. Then click on next. Here it is asking authorized code and go to the same file. There is an authorized code. Ctrl+C, select this and go to the same and Ctrl+V. Next, then give some other name what you want to keep something. Let me type my name itself. So Charan. Click next. Yes. Next. Click on next. It is downloading. It may take some time to download. It is copying all the files from the product file manager transfer. It has been done almost. Yes, then click on yes. Setting the environment and run installed products. Yes, it is creating the library. Okay, click on OK, click on finish. Then again go to update. Yes, where is the update? Click on update, web update 1, click on, and again go to setup. Here application, click on it, run. The file has been started download again. It's take almost 1 minute or 2 minutes to complete it. Click on OK. Next, click on yes. Next, click on next. Click on next. Finish. Close it. If another files may be opened, then go to again updates, web update 2. Click on setup application, run. Okay, it has been downloaded again. Okay, click on OK, click on next, click on next, next, next. Finish. Then again open web update 3, setup, run. Web update 3 is downloading. Okay, next, yes, next, next. It has been almost completing. Finish it. Then go to PSpice Software again, go to register, copy these 2 files and copy, select Ctrl C, and we have to place these files in our C drive. Go to C drive, program files, go to OrCAD and paste it somewhere here. Replace the files, skip, continue. Yeah, it has been replaced. And again go to back, go to the same file where we have copied it, register from registers in PCB software, paste it again in the same C drive, program files, OrCAD. Then we have to place in the capture, that capture, Ctrl V, replace the files, continue. Yes, it's almost done. Then again copy the same files and again go to program files, OrCAD, layout plus, and again paste it here, Ctrl V, replace the files, continue. Okay, it's done. Again copy the same files which stored in the register, Ctrl C, and place in program files, OrCAD PSpice. Now Ctrl V, replace the files in destination, continue. Yes, it's completed almost. Yeah, the software has been installed successfully. Firstly refresh it and go to search bar. Let's type capture CIS, open, file, new, project. See, it has showing the browse history where we have to save our files. It has selected D drive PCB. Give any name. Let's give circuit. Okay. Yes, okay. Okay. See, here the software is visible and we can design the projects here. A schematic view. Yes, we can select the components. Whatever component we want, we can select it from here and we can drag and drop it. Resistor, LED, capacitor. Let's okay. So we can place the components and we can run it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel edutech officials for more updates.